Okay, this is my favourite story. Have a look at this. An Australian woman was driving down a narrow road. Here she is. She was driving down a narrow road when she entered a tunnel. She was surprised by this because she hadn't noticed the tunnel before. Notice this. Here she was surprised, and she was surprised because of something that had or hadn't happened in the past. She hadn't noticed this tunnel before when she was driving home. So then she was carrying on, but she ran out of petrol here. Then she decided to wait. She had been waiting for a while when she saw three men. Or she was waiting for a while, both were. Now, the men earlier on in the story had been wearing helmets with lights on. They seemed surprised to see her. She was surprised, and then she realised that here she had driven into a tunnel by mistake. I love this story because it shows two really, really good uses of the past perfect and how it can cause surprise and interest in a story. Thank you.